Hello everyone. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Mutiara Alfa Media and I'm from grade 9. So today I want to share about my 8 holidays. Let me tell you, I didn't go anywhere. No movie, no long trips to my hometown, just me, my family, and the amazing food that my mom made at home. My mom is a cooking genius, so for me, she made an ultimate lollipop salad. The lollipop, soft and warm. The side was spicy but creamy. Oh my god, it was so good.